Hey there, pioneers! Here's how to increase your inventory space in Subnautica 2. If you're getting tired of constantly running out of inventory space, don't worry. There are 5 inventory upgrades hidden around the map, each adding 3 more slots, for a total of 15 extra inventory slots. For the first upgrade, start from your life pod and head southeast. Keep swimming until you reach the large rock pillar with several man-made lights near its base. On the lower left side of the pillar, you'll find a cave. Head inside and follow the man-made lights until you reach a hidden bunker. Inside, interact with the biobed to unlock your first inventory upgrade. For the second upgrade, swim southwest from your life pod while staying at a depth of around 40 to 50 meters. You'll come across an area with several tall rock pillars and some wreckage. Behind one of the pillars is another hidden bunker. Go inside and interact with the biobed to obtain the second upgrade. For the third upgrade, return to your life pod and head at a bearing of 60 degrees. Swim straight until you reach a trench with a strong current nearby. Once you spot it, turn around to face southwest, where you'll find a small tunnel. Swim through it and follow the man-made lights to another hidden bunker. Inside, interact with the biobed for your third inventory upgrade. For the fourth upgrade, head north from your life pod while staying close to the ocean floor. This makes it easier to spot Camp 1, located between the trenches. Once you're in front of Camp 1, turn right and enter the nearby tunnel. On your left, you'll see another man-made lamp leading into a second tunnel. Follow it to the bottom of the ledge, then face south to find another hidden bunker. Inside is the fourth biobed. For the fifth and final upgrade, you'll first need the heat tolerance adaptation since it's located inside a wreck in the high temperature zone. Starting from your life pod, swim straight east until you reach the hot biome. Continue until you find the wreck. On the left side of its damaged hull is an opening you can swim through. Enter the wreck, and when you reach the main hallway, turn left and enter the last room on the left. Inside, you'll find the final biobed. Interact with it to unlock your last inventory upgrade. Once you've activated all 5 biobeds, your inventory will be expanded by 15 additional slots, giving you much more room for long expeditions. And that's all of it. If this video helped, please leave a like or comment and subscribe to the channel for more straightforward guides. Thanks for stopping by, and see you in the next side quest.